Hey friends, welcome to ReMed. Today's video, I will explain about the process of clinical trials of drugs. Clinical trials are studies to test new drugs, already approved drugs. So there are four phases mainly, and I will discuss them all. So, in the phase 1 clinical trial, which is also called human pharmacology and safety, the first human administration of the drug is carried out in a setting where all the vital functions are monitored and emergency or resuscitation facilities are available. Usually, healthy volunteers are exposed to the drug one by one for around 10 to 100 people, starting with the lowest estimated dose and increase stepwise to achieve the effective dose. Duration will be from month to 1 year. Open label study is also done, mainly to check toxicity and safety. Placebo are not used in phase 1 clinical trial. A placebo is used to test the effectiveness of treatments and is most often used in drug studies. For instance, people in group 1 get the actual drug while the other group receive an inactive drug or simply called placebo. Unpleasant side effects are noted and an attempt is made to observe the pharmacodynamic effect in men. These studies are usually done in major cancer centers. Sometimes people choose to join the phase 1 trial when all other drugs options have already been tried. Now the phase 2 clinical trial, called the Therapeutic Exploitation trial. If a new treatment is found to be safe in phase 1 clinical trial, a phase 2 clinical trial is done to see if it works. This is conducted by physicians who are trained as clinical investigators. Usually in phase 2 clinical trials, everyone gets the same dose. Patients with target disease are selected for treatment. 50 to 500 people are selected. Placebo, which means inactive treatment, are not used in phase 2 clinical trial also. And phase 2 clinical trial mainly to check safety and efficacy. Duration is over 1 to 3 years. The candidate drug may get dropped at this stage if the desired level of clinical efficacy is not obtained. Now the phase 3 clinical trials, which we also call therapeutic confirmatory test. Phase 3 clinical trials compare the safety and effectiveness of the new treatment against the current standard treatment. Patients with target diseases are selected. In this case, patient number will increase to 500 to 3000 and randomized and control trials are used. Duration is 3 to 5 years. Placebos may be used in some phase 3 studies, but they never used alone if there is a treatment available that works. Doctors do not yet know which treatment is better. Study participants are often picked at random to get either the standard treatment or the new treatment. When possible, neither the doctor nor the patient knows which of the treatment the patient is getting. This type of study is called a double-blind study. This helps to eliminate the bias when interpreting results. If investigators demonstrate that the medication is at least as safe as effective as other already on the market, then the FDA will usually approve the medications. Restricted marketing permission for use only in hospital with specific monitoring facilities available. Lastly, we will discuss phase 4 of clinical trial called post-marketing surveillance trial. Duration is unending, but companies should have to submit periodic safety update report to FDA. Open label trial on many thousand patients, mainly to find the adverse drug reactions. Data are collected about the efficacy, acceptability, and adverse effect of the drug in the real field. Part of the therapeutic trial involving special group like children, elderly, pregnant, or lactating women, patients with renal or hepatic disease may be undertaken at this stage. In phase 4 studies, you are helping researchers learn more about the treatment and doing a service to the future patients. Thank you for watching. I am happy to answer any questions you may have. Please ask in the comment section.